Welcome back to Natural English Studio. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to speak confidently at a restaurant using simple and natural English conversations. Imagine you're entering a restaurant. Walk in with a smile and say, "Good evening. I'd like a table for two, please." "Certainly. Welcome. Please follow me. Your table is ready by the window. I hope you enjoy your meal with us today. Here is the menu. Please take your time. When you're ready, I'll be happy to take your order. Everything looks delicious. What do you recommend today?" "I'd like to try something popular and full of flavor. I recommend our grilled chicken with rice. It's one of our most popular dishes, and many guests really enjoy it." "That sounds perfect. I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, please. I'd also like a glass of fresh orange juice." "Excellent choice. One grilled chicken with rice and one fresh orange juice. I'll bring your order as soon as it's ready. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help. I'm looking forward to enjoying this delicious meal today." "You're very welcome. Your meal will be ready in just a few minutes. Please relax and enjoy your time here at our restaurant. Here is your grilled chicken with rice and your fresh orange juice. Please enjoy your meal and let me know if you need anything else." "Thank you. The food is really delicious, and the orange juice tastes fresh. I'm really enjoying my meal today." "I'm glad you're enjoying your meal. Please take your time, and if you need anything else, I'll be happy to help you." "Excuse me, could I have another glass of water, please?" "Thank you. I really appreciate your excellent service today." "Of course. I'll bring another glass of water right away. Please enjoy your meal, and let me know if you need anything else." "Thank you very much. The service has been excellent, and I'm really enjoying both the food and the friendly atmosphere here." "You're most welcome. We're happy to have you here today. Enjoy your meal and have a wonderful dining experience with us." "Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?" "Everything was excellent. Thank you for the wonderful food and outstanding service today." "Certainly. Here is your bill. Thank you for dining with us today. We truly hope to welcome you again very soon. Here is my payment. Thank you for your kindness and excellent service. I really enjoyed my visit and hope to come back again soon." "Thank you very much. Here is your receipt and your change. Have a safe trip home, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you for everything. I had a wonderful experience today. Goodbye, and I hope to visit your restaurant again very soon." Let's practice another restaurant conversation. You walk in, smile politely, and say, "Good evening. May I have a table for one, please?" "Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant." "Certainly, we have a table for one. Please come with me, and I'll show you your seat. Here is the menu for today. Would you like something to drink before you order your meal? Or would you like a few minutes first?" "I'd like a glass of iced tea, please. I'll need a few more minutes to look at the menu before ordering my meal." "Certainly. I'll bring your iced tea right away. Please take your time and let me know when you're ready to order." "Are you ready to order now?" "I'd be happy to answer any questions or help you choose a meal if you need." "Yes, I'm ready to order now. I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables, and please bring a bowl of tomato soup as well." "Excellent choice. One grilled salmon with vegetables and one bowl of tomato soup. I'll send your order to the kitchen right away. Here is your grilled salmon with vegetables and your tomato soup. Please enjoy your meal and let me know if you need anything else. This salmon is perfectly cooked and the soup is full of flavor. I'm really happy with my order. Everything tastes excellent. I'm happy to hear that. Is everything just the way you wanted? Please let me know if there's anything else I can bring you. Everything is perfect, thank you. Could I see the dessert menu, please? I'd like to have something sweet after my meal. Certainly. Here's our dessert menu. I highly recommend our chocolate cake. It's our most popular dessert, and our guests absolutely love it. That sounds delicious. I'll have the chocolate cake, please. Thank you for the recommendation. I'm excited to try your most popular dessert. Excellent choice. One chocolate cake coming right up. I'll bring it to your table in just a few minutes. Enjoy your time. Here is your chocolate cake. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know what you think after you've had a taste. The cake tastes wonderful. Thank you for your recommendation. I really enjoyed this dessert. I'll definitely order it again. I'm so glad you enjoyed the dessert. Thank you for dining with us today. We hope to see you again very soon. Excuse me, may I have the bill, please? Everything was excellent. Thank you for the wonderful service. Certainly. Here is your bill. Thank you for visiting our restaurant today. We really hope you enjoyed your meal, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you. Here is my payment. I truly enjoyed the food, the dessert, and your excellent service today. I had a wonderful time here. Thank you very much. Here is your receipt. We truly appreciate your visit today. Have a safe trip home, and we hope to welcome you again soon. Thank you for everything. I really enjoyed my time here today. The food was delicious, and the service was excellent. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day. It was our pleasure to serve you today. Thank you for visiting our restaurant. Have a wonderful day, take care, and we hope to see you again very soon. Great job today. You practiced useful restaurant English with confidence. Keep speaking every day, and your English will become more natural and more fluent. Practice these simple sentences every day. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. Next time you visit a restaurant, try using these English sentences with confidence. Every small conversation will help you speak English more naturally. Excellent work today. Keep practicing English every single day, and you'll become more confident with every conversation. Wonderful work today. Now it's time to practice these restaurant sentences with me. Listen carefully, speak clearly, and repeat every sentence with confidence. Repeat after me. May I have a table for one, please? Very good. Let's say it one more time. May I have a table for one, please? Repeat after me. Could I see the menu, please? Excellent. Let's say it again. Could I see the menu, please? Repeat after me. I'd like a glass of iced tea, please. Great job. Let's say it once again. I'd like a glass of iced tea, please. Repeat after me. I'm ready to order now. Excellent. Let's practice it one more time. I'm ready to order now. Repeat after me. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Very good. Let's say it one more time. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Repeat after me. Everything tastes wonderful. Excellent. Let's say it one more time. Everything tastes wonderful. Repeat after me. May I have the bill, please? Excellent. Let's practice it one more time. May I have the bill, Please, repeat after me. Thank you. Here is my payment. Very good. Let's say it one more time. Thank you. Here is my payment. Repeat after me. I really enjoyed my meal today. Excellent. Let's say it one more time. I really enjoyed my meal today. Congratulations. You finished lesson 2 today. Keep practicing these sentences every day, and I'll see you in lesson 3. Great job, and keep speaking English with confidence.